morning students. So today again we'll talk about double displacement reaction, and double displacement reaction, as I told you earlier also, that it involves the exchange of ions. And during this reaction, if it involves the formation of some solid substance as one of the product or precipitate, then we call that as precipitation reaction. So precipitation reaction is one of the type of double displacement reaction. So today we are going to discuss about the reaction between barium chloride and sodium sulphate, and after mixing these two, how the precipitate has been formed, here we'll explain. So let us start the reaction, how this reaction takes place. So in one of the test tube, I take sodium sulphate. You can see that this is purely colorless solution. In another test tube, I take barium chloride. So another test tube, I am taking barium chloride. So this is also colorless solution. You can see in both the test tube we have colorless solution. One is sodium sulphate and other is barium chloride. Now on mixing these two, let us see what will happen. So adding slowly one solution into the other, and you can see on mixing, you can see that this has become white in color. How this reaction takes place, here you can see the exchange of cation. This barium, which is cation 1, react with anion of second salt sulphate, and we get barium sulphate. Similarly, sodium of cation salt 2, sodium is the cation, react with anion of salt 1, and we get sodium chloride. Now in this case, this barium sulphate is precipitate. You can see this white precipitate that is formed, and after some time, leaving for some time, we observe that this will settle down at the bottom. So what will happen? We are having some precipitate which is formed, and that precipitate is of barium sulphate, which is white in color. So this is how the reaction takes place, and precipitate has been formed. This precipitate is barium sulphate, which is white in color, and thus this reaction is known as precipitation